Hello, brilliant young coders. Get ready for some fun with numbers. We're diving into Menu L223 to create a two-digit random number generator, perfect for games like housie, tambola, or bingo with the Schogini Toys DIY Kit. Before you start, have you watched our menu navigation video? It's your treasure map to navigating our menus like a pro. At Menu L223, if you hang tight for 10 seconds or nudge the joystick right, a helpful message will pop up. To bypass it, just flick the joystick left. Press the joystick to ignite the number magic. If you're eager to begin, skip the help message with a swift leftward flick. Each press of the joystick will conjure a new random number, from 00 to 99, ensuring a unique pick every time. Keep pressing until you've seen all the numbers. Ready to return to the main menu? A simple press of the joystick like a button, and you're back. You're not just playing, you're learning Python with every press. Curious about how it works? We'll show you a snippet of the code. Want to code your own version? Our simulator on your laptop is a perfect coding playground. Need a coding ally? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is on standby to help you navigate through the code. All set for a coding adventure? Your journey starts at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's master Python together and have a blast with numbers. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.